Welcome back to Drive and RPM. Today, we must execute a brutal and completely unfiltered forensic engineering analysis of a vehicle that is currently tearing the global off-road hierarchy to absolute shreds. If you consume traditional automotive media, they want you to believe that the pinnacle of human survival and off-road luxury still belongs to the European and Japanese establishment. They want you to bow down to the $100,000 Land Rover Defender, the Mercedes G-Wagon, or the sacred Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. But the undeniable reality on the ground is that these legacy giants have grown fatally complacent. They are charging you astronomical, insulting premiums for mechanical architectures that are fundamentally obsolete. Today, we are dissecting the Chinese apex predator that was engineered specifically to humiliate them, the Jetour G700. But before we look at the apocalyptic telemetry of this machine, we must address the massive industrial shadow standing behind it. Jetour is not some tiny, underfunded startup trying to figure out how to build a car. Jetour is the elite, heavy-hitting, extreme capability division of the Chery automobile group. Chery is a terrifying global juggernaut, with billions of dollars in relentless research and development, a massive international supply chain, and a singular, ruthless objective: to engineer the West out of existence. And let's get the timeline perfectly straight right now. The Jetour G700 is not a vaporware concept rendering that might launch in 10 years. It is a fully realized, aggressively tested reality. The 2026 iterations of this machine are already roaming the Earth, actively proving that the reign of the traditional combustion-only mechanical 4x4 is permanently over. We are going to break down exactly how Chery's engineering division took the classic body-on-frame architecture, weaponized it with extreme hybrid telemetry, and created a survival vehicle that makes the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 look like an overpriced, slows, and fragile relic from the past. To truly comprehend the violent disruption the G700 brings to the market, we must put its powertrain under the microscope and expose the severe limitations of its rivals. Let's look at the revered Toyota Land Cruiser 300. It relies on a heavy, traditional internal combustion engine paired with a complex, laggy mechanical transmission. When you need immediate power to pull yourself out of deep mud or execute a highly dangerous overtaking maneuver on a short mountain pass, you press the throttle and you wait. You wait for the transmission to downshift. You wait for the turbochargers to spool. And you pray that the mechanical differentials can figure out where to send the grip. Chery's engineers looked at this lazy, delayed response and completely eradicated it. The Jetour G700 utilizes a highly advanced plug-in hybrid electric vehicle architecture that rewrites the physics of heavy SUVs. They took a thermally efficient, heavily fortified 2.0-liter turbocharged combustion engine and paired it with a devastating dual-motor electric drivetrain. The combined mathematical output is a mind-bending 904 horsepower and over 1,135 Newton-meters of instant key, uncompromising torque. We need to pause and seriously process the magnitude of that violence. This is a massive, heavy, aerodynamically blunt, body-on-frame off-roader measuring over 5.1 meters long. Yet it can completely annihilate a modern European sports car in a straight line, ripping from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.6 seconds. But this extreme power output is not about winning childish drag races at traffic lights. It is entirely about the human factor of absolute survival and dynamic confidence. It means that when you are towing a heavy load up a treacherous, rocky incline, you have instantaneous electric torque delivered precisely to the wheels without a millisecond of hesitation. It delivers a level of aggressive capability that traditional mechanical drivetrains simply cannot physically replicate, rendering the driving dynamics of the European and Japanese establishment profoundly obsolete and dangerously slow by comparison. Now, we arrive at the most terrifying and psychologically profound engineering achievement of the Jetour G700, and the exact moment where the Land Rover Defender completely loses its justification to exist. we have to talk about the most visceral fear any human being faces behind the wheel: catastrophic, unpredictable flooding. When you buy a deeply expensive European luxury SUV, the marketing departments sell you an illusion of invincibility. But the absolute truth is that the moment the water level rises above the hood, that expensive, highly complex combustion engine ingests water, suffers a violent catastrophic hydrolock, and permanently dies. You are left stranded in a sinking metal box with your family in a highly dangerous situation. The Chery engineering group approached this extreme scenario with a level of paranoia and brilliance that borders on military defense technology. The Jetour G700 doesn't just feature a massive 900mm standard weighting depth. It possesses an emergency amphibious capability that completely shatters the boundaries of what a civilian vehicle is legally allowed to do. Through a combination of extreme chassis sealing, localized positive cabin pressure to keep water out, and fully waterproofed, independently sealed electric drive trains, this massive 904 horsepower beast can literally float and navigate through deep water during a flash flood. Think about the profound psychological impact of handing that level of capability to a father or a mother. You are no longer just driving a luxury off-roader to the grocery store. You are piloting a fully functional survival pod. If a natural disaster hits, or a bridge is washed out by a storm, panic simply does not set in. You have the ultimate peace of mind knowing that the engineering beneath you is specifically designed to keep your family breathing, completely dry, and moving forward to safety, while the European legacy vehicles sink helplessly to the bottom of the river. Chery has turned a nightmare scenario into a mild inconvenience. One of the most persistent, aggressive, and highly valid criticisms of the modern electric vehicle revolution is the very real fear of being stranded in the middle of nowhere. If you are crossing a vast desert, exploring deep into the wilderness, or fleeing a localized disaster zone, there are absolutely no high-speed charging stations. A dead battery in extreme environments means a potentially fatal situation. Pure electric off-roaders are plagued by this severe range anxiety. Chery understood this fundamental human vulnerability and engineered the Jetour G700 to be completely, 100% independent from the fragile electrical grid. They built a rolling fortress. Hidden within the fortified ladder frame chassis is a robust 34 kilowatt-hour battery pack utilizing a high-voltage 800-volt architecture, allowing for ultra-fast charging when you actually are in modern civilization. But its true weapon of mass survival is the integration of a massive 100-liter fuel tank. By combining the high-density battery with this massive liquid fuel reserve and a highly intelligent IASH thermally efficient hybrid management system, the G700 achieves a combined outJash real-world driving range of well over 1,000 kilometers without needing to stop. This is the ultimate, unfiltered expression of mechanical freedom. You can fully load up this vehicle, drive deep into the unknown, and remain entirely self-sufficient. Furthermore, because of the massive battery buffer, the G700 functions as a mobile power station. It features bi-directional charging capable of running heavy industrial tools, extensive camping equipment, or even serving as an emergency generator to keep the life support systems of a remote cabin running for days. While pure EV owners are constantly calculating distances, sweating over broken chargers, and staring anxiously at their dropping battery percentages, the G700 driver is completely isolated from that modern neurosis. It provides a level of autonomy that makes the standard fuel range of a Land Cruiser feel incredibly restrictive. While the exterior and the powertrain of the G700 are aggressively designed to conquer the apocalypse, the interior is masterfully engineered to stroke the human ego and humiliate the European establishment on a deeply personal level. This is where the price-to-value ratio of legacy automakers becomes a complete joke. If you step inside a modern Mercedes G-Wagon or a high-end Land Rover, you are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars for luxury that is undeniably premium. But it is fundamentally traditional and static. Chery has weaponized the interior experience of the Jetour G700. They understand that true, modern luxury is defined by digital superiority. acoustic perfection, and absolute physical isolation from the chaos of the outside world. The cabin of the G700 features an expansive, crystal-clear digital ecosystem, dominated by massive, high-definition displays that provide military-grade telemetry on the vehicle's pitch, roll, weighting depth, and complex hybrid energy flow. But beyond the blinding screens, it is the sensory isolation that is the most devastating blow to the Europeans. Despite the heavy, rugged body-on-frame construction and the aggressive, deep-tread off-road tires, the acoustic engineering, double-laminated glass, and active noise cancellation technologies create a sanctuary of absolute silence. You can traverse a broken, violent, rocky trail while sitting in perforated, ventilated, massaging seats, listening to a premium surround sound audio system in complete, unbothered serenity. It makes the rugged, utilitarian, plastic-heavy roots of the Toyota Land Cruiser feel Spartan and cheap. And it makes the astronomical price tag of the European luxury SUVs look like an absolute insult to the intelligence of the consumer. Chery is essentially offering you a first-class airline suite bolted onto an indestructible tank chassis. Inevitably, because we are dealing with extreme Chinese engineering, the Jetour G700 must be compared to the ultimate apex predator of the global automotive industry, the BYD Yangwang U8. Let's be perfectly clear on the engineering realities so there is no confusion. The G700 does not possess the highly expensive quad-motor independent architecture of the U8. It operates on the Gaia platform with a dual-motor electric all-wheel drive setup. But here is the critical, market-destroying narrative that legacy automakers are absolutely terrified of. Chery's engineering is so advanced that the G700 still executes a flawless 360-degree tank turn on its own axis. Without needing 4 separate electric motors, the G700 weaponizes the massive 1,135 Newton-meters of combined torque from its dual-motor hybrid system to rotate within extremely tight spaces and conquer narrow trails. It delivers the terrifying real-world capability of the U8, including the 900mm standard weighting depth, the Amphibious survival mode, the 1,000-kilometer hybrid range, and over 900 horsepower. But it achieves this through a drastically different, highly effective mechanical approach. It is the brutal democratization of extreme off-road technology. It forces every single consumer to ask a very difficult, very uncomfortable question. Why on earth would anyone spend top-tier, life-altering money on a Land Rover Defender or a Toyota Land Cruiser 300 that feels a decade behind in powertrain dynamics, when the Chery Jetour G700 offers survival-grade amphibious capabilities, a true 360-degree tank turn, and a 1,000-kilometer fortress of a hybrid range? The legacy automakers are out of time, out of innovation, and out of excuses. The Jetour G700 is a monument to how quickly the Chinese automotive industry has learned, adapted, and ultimately conquered the most demanding, ego-driven vehicle segment on the planet. I want to know your absolute, unfiltered thoughts on this engineering masterpiece. Would you trust this Chinese hybrid beast over the legendary, but aging, reliability of a Toyota Land Cruiser? Or is the sheer technological and survival advantage of the G700 simply too massive to ignore? Let me know your honest opinions down in the comment section. If you want the most ruthless, uncompromising, and deeply forensic automotive engineering analysis on all of YouTube, make sure to completely destroy that like button. Subscribe to Drive and RPM right now, and I will see you in the next breakdown.